It's now 6 AM, Stonehaven Harbour. Sun's coming up. I've been here stormbound for a few days. That's been nice. I've caught up with old friends, but it's that time of year now. I'm not seeing any other sailing boats for days and days and days, so it's just me and the fishing boats. I tied up against a big fishing boat and basically turned it into my pontoon because it gets smashed against the wall. Long way today, 67 miles to Eyemouth is the plan, but it looks like it's going to be a nice sunrise in maybe half an hour, a bit less. Time to get going. Lifting out of bed for. So not a bad way to start the day. A long day, a bit swell, but very nice to be out. Been out here for couple of hours maybe, motoring the forecast wind, which is ideal wind, 4 to 5 on my beam and then coming 4 to 6 behind me, so we would zoom along. It's not materialised, there's nothing, so I've got the engine on, but there's some quite freaky clouds over that way, so I'm guessing that might be some wind coming. There's gales 100 miles that way, 100 miles that way, so, but it looks good here, so we'll see. Not the most exciting of days. A little wind, we've got sails up, but motor sailing because we've got some distance to do today. So it's perfectly pleasant. Just watching the build wind farms really. There's a wind farm construction going on over there, which I doubt you'll see, and lots of wind farm boats around. We're about 8 hours in, I guess, maybe another 4 to go. It's fine, it's pleasant. I thought there'd be a bit more wind to speed us up, but I'm lucky to have an engine. Good news, I think. Wind's finally picked up. So we are sailing along 6 knots. This is my new spot against the mast. Looking a little bit stormy out there, but the sea's flat and it's nice. We're zooming along, so hopefully I'll be in before dark, and that'd be nice. Edinburgh's over there somewhere, Dundee over there, Denmark over there. Yeah, some exciting clouds over there. But yeah, we're flying along, full sails up, 6 knots last time I looked, and it's much nicer with the engine on. Just had a can of chili con carne, and zoom. Okay. Suddenly the sky's gone a bit crazy. There's some big squalls around, I think. So just taking the mainsail in. And we're flying along just on the headsail. And there's some rain coming in now as well. Look at that crazy sky. Wow. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. and the wind has just suddenly died off. I just put the main in. And the sky is suddenly looking something like a... it's a bit scary, a bit of a disaster movie. I'm trying to race it in the port and beat it. I don't think I will. I think we'll get very wet, but I don't know how that looks on camera, but it's all looking a little bit biblical out here. There's a refuge is about 5 miles that way. But oh, I'm gonna get wet. I've got a feeling it's gonna get very, very windy. We shall see. There may be trouble ahead. There's no life left to raining quite a lot. Lighthouse. Let's avoid it. So this is always a hairy bit. I think it's fine, but heading into strange ports when it's getting dark. You have to put out an all vessels warning here on the radio so they don't come and run you down, which I've tried to do. Which I have done, I just hope they heard it. It's a bit wild, but we're about 5 minutes out and just about creeping in with some light. So, but it's quite a tight entrance in terms of the approach. There's lots of rocks around, so you have to be right on the transit line. Technically. The rocks are. That's quite a nice feeling. Safe and sound. Seal in the hub as well. Ah, that was a little seal, a big seal here.